You see, many of us start off with nothing. No money from our parents, no one to look up to, no one to educate us on online business, nothing. And that leaves us lost and confused. So we go the traditional route of going to school, going to college, and going to get a job to work for someone else for 40+ years. And then once we actually get that job, we find out that this is not the life we want. And then we turn to YouTube. We type in how to make money online, and then we see all of these videos of people teaching methods that just simply don't work. So you're probably on the verge of giving up right now and thinking that you can never make money online or start your own business. Well, I'm here to tell you, don't do that, because you can actually make money online. It just comes down to one word: hustle. And that's exactly what I did in this challenge of turning $0 into $1,000 online. Now this is the finale of this series, but in episode 1 and 2, I started out by doing Shopify dropshipping and ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now my strategy for Shopify dropshipping was simple: build a nice Shopify store, find a high converting product, and then sell that product through Instagram influencers. Now my strategy with ClickBank was simple as well: find a high converting product, find some Facebook groups related to the product that you're trying to promote, post a regular photo inside the group, and then after a couple hours, after it gets a bunch of likes and comments, you edit the caption and send them to your landing page. And after 2 weeks of doing Shopify and ClickBank, I made a total of $447.01 in profit. So that brings us to the finale of turning $0 into $1,000 online without using my existing audience, without using my friends, and I started from absolutely nothing. Now, as you guys know, I have $450 to play with, so there's so many different ways I could use this money. Now, I could do Shopify dropshipping, but y'all seen that before. I got a bunch of videos on my channel doing Shopify dropshipping. I want to show you guys something that most of you have never seen before. I'm gonna be using YouTube ads to promote ClickBank products. Now, I know a lot of you guys have never seen this strategy before, so I'm gonna actually walk you guys step by step on me creating an ad and everything like that. So sit back, relax, get some snacks, and also hit the like button, cause this is gonna be good.
Subscribe to Black Hustlers Club.
Bing 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 bing.
Alright, so I'm on ClickBank right now, and as you can see, I'm looking at His Secret Obsession. Now this is the product that we're going to be promoting in this video. Now as you can see, the average sell on it is 45 and the gravity on it is 188. So it's a high converting ClickBank product, right? Now there's a couple things that you're going to need. You're going to need a landing page, and here's my landing page right here for it. So you got to create you a landing page. When you're running Google ads, you cannot direct link. Now you are also going to need a video. Now for the video, I made an animated video. Now let me go to my page right here. So as you can see, this is the video that I'm about to be running with. Now I already had this video, so I didn't spend any money on this because I've done this before in the past. But as you can see, so that's a little preview for you. But yeah, it's an animated video. So I just found someone on Fiverr, paid them to make me an animated video, and then that's all you really need. So now you got your landing page, you know what product that you're gonna be selling. Now it's time to go on Google ads, right? So I'm on my Google ads account, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a campaign without a goals guidance, and we're gonna go video, and then we're gonna do custom video campaign, and then we're gonna hit continue. Alright, so the campaign name, we're just gonna name it His Secret. Now for my daily budget, I'm gonna do $50 a day because I have over $400 to play with. So that's gonna spread it out over a couple days. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do uncheck that and uncheck that. So we're just gonna do YouTube videos. And then languages, we gotta do just English. So just check English. Locations, now I'm gonna add a couple locations. United Kingdom, Australia, and then I'm gonna add one more, Canada. So I'm gonna just do those 4 countries for right now. Boom. Now standard, we're gonna do expanded inventory. So this just make sure that your ad gets seen by everybody. You don't want your ad excluded for nobody. And then right here we're gonna do boom boom, we're gonna check those 2, and then we're gonna uncheck this one. So for the demographics, this is very important. You want to uncheck male, uncheck unknown, uncheck this one, and then we just gonna do 25 plus, right? So the rest of this stuff you could leave the same. The audiences you could leave alone, but for the keywords you want to type in anything related to the product you're promoting. So I'm gonna just type in relationships, love, dating, how to get an ex back, how to get your ex back, just things like that. Now for the placements, this is extremely important and one of the reasons why YouTube is so powerful, because you can target specific videos and channels that are related to the product that you're promoting, right? So I went on YouTube and I typed in how to get your ex back, and as you can see, this video got 1.2 million views on it, right? So you could put your ad directly on this video. All you gotta do is hit share, copy, right? And then go back over to YouTube and then enter multiple placements, and then just paste the video link right there, right? Add placement. So now your ad is gonna get seen on that video. So you wanna do this with multiple YouTube channels and multiple videos related to the product that you're promoting. So all you gotta do from here is just scroll down, and I'm gonna just put 0.05 for the bidding. And then for the YouTube video link, all you gotta do is go back to your video, copy this, paste it right here, and then hit paste. And then you wanna do skippable and stream ad. You want to link it to your landing page, add a call to action, and all of that good stuff. So that's basically how I run YouTube ads. Of course, I'm gonna add some more channels, some more videos and everything like that. I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview on how I do it. So you see my strategy for YouTube ads. So that's exactly how I plan on taking that $447 and turning it to $1,000 online. Now, it's currently Thursday, June 25th, so I'm gonna let it run for a couple days, and then I'm gonna check back in and let you guys know the results. So y'all stay tuned.
Several days later.
Yes, sir. So as you guys can see, I got the Black Hustlers Club t-shirt on. Hey, it's dropping soon, so make sure y'all be on the lookout. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram so you know when they drop, because they dropping soon and they going to sell out. But listen, the $0 to $1,000 challenge is finally complete. It's been a crazy couple of weeks, and I actually have something that I didn't show you guys yet that I've been doing in the background. So I threw up a pair of shoes on OfferUp and Let Go, one of my Yeezys. I'm gonna actually show you guys it real quick. I wonder if this counts for the challenge, because I didn't use my audience, but I did have the shoes before I started the challenge, so I'm not sure if this counts or not. I'm gonna sell them for about $190, right? So I got a buyer for them, $190, as you guys can see. You know, I only wore them like twice, right? And let me actually show you guys the message real quick. So I got a buyer, I'm gonna meet him today for $190. So I'm not sure if this counts or not, let me know. But as you guys can see, it said $190. I asked him if he can meet today, he said yes. So let me know if this counts. But either way, I made over $1,000 doing ClickBank affiliate marketing, Shopify dropshipping, and all of that. So let me get into that right now. But first things first, I ended up running the ads from June 25th to June 29th, and I ended up spending a total of $236.33. And then on ClickBank, I ended up making $0 the first day the ads was running, $106.31 the second, $235.94 on Saturday, $192.81 on Sunday, and then on Monday I made $283.46. Now that brings our total up to $818.52. Now we have to subtract the amount that we spent on ads, which is $236.33. Boom. So that brings our total down to $582.19. Now you guys know, in the beginning of this video, I started off with $447.01. So we add that, 447.01. That ends up being $1,029, baby. Yes, sir. Your boy Drell did it again. You know, let me take a bow. You know, I did it again. This challenge is complete. Now, I hope you guys actually learned something from this challenge, and you can see, like, you can start from nothing and can make some money online. Because I started from nothing. I didn't use my own audience. I could have easily made $1,000 using my own audience on the Black Hustlers Club Instagram account, on my other Instagram accounts, on my YouTube channels. I could have easily made $1,000. But I do want to add that even though you see me turn $0 into $1,000 in about 2 weeks or so, I've been doing this for a long time. I've been doing this for about 3 years. And my first year in business, when I was 17 years old, I didn't make any sales at all. So like, just understand that, keep that in mind when you're trying things out, that it's gonna take time, especially if you're brand new to this. It's gonna take time. You're not gonna turn $0 into $1,000 in 2 weeks if you've never done it before. Nonetheless, I do highly encourage you guys to try these methods out, like Facebook groups. You've seen I made money with that. Shopify dropshipping, you've seen I made money with that. Running YouTube ads and learning paid advertising advertising, selling stuff around your crib that you don't wear or use anymore, like I'm doing with my shoes. There's so many ways to make money online, but I recommend that you pick one of them. Pick one of them. If you're doing ClickBank, just do ClickBank. If you're doing Shopify dropshipping, just do dropshipping. If you're gonna be reselling shoes, just resell shoes. Just pick one at a time, focus on that, become a master at that. And then once you got that down, you can move on to other things, but don't try to do everything at once. Like, take it from me, my first year, that was why I didn't make my first sale, because I was trying to do everything at one time. But hey, check me out. I'm gonna do some more challenges in the future, so if you got any ideas, drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this one, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. If you're new, join the Black Hustlers Club. Hey, the merch is coming soon, and I'm out, bruh.